In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your services on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. If you've been thinking about expanding your reach and showcasing what you have to offer, this platform is an excellent way to connect with a broad audience. So let's get started by diving into the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to head over to Facebook. If you're already logged into your account, that's great. If not, go ahead and sign in. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a variety of options like your news feed, friends, and more. Click on See More to expand the menu, which will reveal additional options, including the Marketplace. Now that you're in the expanded menu, find and click on Marketplace. This is the hub where all listings are displayed from products to services. It provides an overview of the activity in your area and across Facebook, offering you insights into what's trending and how your service might fit in. To start listing your service, look for the Create New Listing button. This is usually located at the top of the Marketplace page. Click on it and you'll be given various options for listing types. Select the one that best fits the service you are offering. This could be a choice between an item sale, vehicle listing, or rental property. Next, it's time to make your post visually appealing by adding photos. Click on Add Photos, which will allow you to upload images from your device. Visuals are crucial as they catch the eye of potential clients, so choose pictures that best represent your service. Entering a compelling title is your next task. The title should be concise yet descriptive enough to grab attention and give viewers a quick idea of what you offer. Then, proceed to input the price for your service. Make sure it reflects the value and competitiveness of your offer. Afterward, you'll select a category and choose the condition that fits your service. The category will help in organizing your post appropriately on the Marketplace, making it easier for interested parties to find you.